Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Ciao a tutti, benvenuti nel mio canale, sono Daniele and welcome into this new video where you are going to discover the 10 most common phrases you absolutely need to know before coming to Italy. So in this top 10, let's start with the most common one, that is Bonjourno, and that you need when you want to introduce yourself to somebody you don't know. So Bonjourno means good morning, so it's easy and you can always use this phrase. Well, then if you are not anymore in the morning and you are in the afternoon, you can use Buon pomeriggio. That means good afternoon. You can use it from 12 to 5 p.m., something like that, and it's gonna be useful in every kind of situation you need to introduce yourself, or you don't want to say hi because maybe it's a more formal situation, so maybe it's better to use Buon pomeriggio. So now let's see the most common phrase to introduce yourself. So my name is, and then your name. In Italian, to say my name is, you have to say mi chiamo and then your name. So mi chiamo Daniele means I am Daniele. You just need to put your name at the end of mi chiamo and then just say your name and everybody's gonna understand you. Most likely the other person, when you will tell him your name, so mi chiamo and then your name, will say piacere di conoscerti. That means nice to meet you. So you can use it for when you introduce yourself or when the other person is introducing to you. So piacere di conoscerti means nice to meet you. Then of course, if you want to ask the other person how is it going or how are you, you can say come stai. Come means how and stai means are you. So if you want to start a basic conversation, you can say your name, so mi chiamo, piacere di conoscerti, nice to meet you, and then come stai. And it is already a conversation and you just needed 3 minutes to learn it. Well, now if you want to ask the position of a person, you can ask dove sei. Dove means where and sei, are you. So dove sei means that you are asking the position of someone. Now, a really useful phrase if you are into a bar or a restaurant and you want to order something. So the polite version, I would like, and then what you would like, is vorrei. So I would like, in Italian is vorrei. And then you just need to add the thing you would like to have. So for example, vorrei un panino. I would like a sandwich. Vorrei una birra. I would like a beer. So you just need to say vorrei because it's polite, and then you add what you would like to. Now, if you walk around the city and you hit somebody, you would like to know how you can sorry and how you can excuse yourself. So in Italian, I'm sorry, it's mi dispiace. So you can use mi dispiace in every kind of situation, or in any other case you want to beg your pardon. So mi dispiace, I am sorry. Now, after you have introduced yourself, you said mi chiamo Daniele, you said nice to meet you, piacere di conoscerti, and you said how are you, so come stai, and you ended your conversation, you can say a presto. So I'll see you soon. You don't know when, but you can use a presto and everybody's gonna understand you. So if you met somebody and you are in a formal situation, instead of a presto, you could think to use arrivederci. Arrivederci, it's just a polite version, means goodbye. So you can use both a presto than arrivederci, and everybody's going to understand you. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video about these 10 phrases you absolutely need to know if you want to come to Italy. You can use that with your friends or just with the random person around the city. Here it's not so unusual to start talking with somebody you've never seen before. So these phrases are gonna be always in your pocket, and you can just put them out whenever you need. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe my channel, like the video, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys!